Today I learned very interesting things about UPI. Like we use it in our daily day-to-day life, paying groceries, paying bills, but I never actually realized what happens behind the scenes. And like we use this wonderful and great feature at no cost, free of cost. So who pays for it? Like for the maintenance and everything. So today I would like to explain the two things. Like first, what happens and what is the process and the workflow. And the second thing is mm, how actually the uh, maintenance and everything is done. So firstly, what UPI is, it involves four things. First, the payment user, the receiver, the payment user's bank, and the receiver's bank. So let's take a scenario. Suppose there is a person, Rahul, and he pays 100 rupees. He scans a QR at a grocery shop, 100 rupees. So what happens is the apps like GPay, PhonePe, they are like a software service and they have a PSP, they have a tie-up with different banks and they are called PSPs, payment service providers. So everything is now the four things which I told you, they all are connected and the controller of everything is NCPI, National Corporation of Payments of India, something like that. So what happens is when we scan a QR code, the Google Pay sends a request to the PSP provider and to identify the user, like which user is sending the request and to where to send the money. Like in in the internet, it's in the computers have IP address, and similarly to where to in the UPI market and UPI circles, like to identify a user, we have VPA, virtual payment address. So the PSP then uh, accepts the request and send it to the payments bank, and the whole process happens. Now, the second thing is who pays for it? Like we use UPI at free of cost, and so many things happens in just 2 seconds of time. So who actually pays for it? The answer is no one. Like the like government gives subsidies to the uh, PSPs and the banks of receivers and users. And although it is less, like the government gave around 2,000 crores and 2 to 3,000 crores rupees to the bank uh, as a subsidy, but the bank wants like 12,000 crores and everything. But the government says like we are giving this wonderful facility to you, and it is enhancing the connection between the users and the apps like GPay and everything. So there are other ways also you can earn money, like the payment app, like the Paytm sells their audio boxes, and when we use GPay app, if I mean when we use any app, when we pay to some merchant bills like recharge and movie tickets, then uh, they add some convenience fee to that. They can earn by that. So this is all. This is the all the thing that I learned today, and I did three questions, 3 to 4 questions on lead code, 2 to 3 questions on core forces, and it was a good day. And although I wasted my most of the time, like 4 hours in watching movies and everything, but I will try to do that less. Okay.